A warm welcome to all. I'm Haripriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So in this video, we are going to see about protective textiles. So what is protective textiles? The technical textile designed to protect the human and equipment from hazards used in industries, defense, firefighters and medical fields. So mainly used to protect the humans and the equipments from hazardous outside environment or anything else. So mainly it is used for protection purpose. So what are all the fibers used? Aramide, which is having Kevlar and Nomex, carbon fibers, glass fibers, UHMWPE, that is Dynama, and then PBI or PBO, high performance fibers. What are all the types we used in protective textiles? Or flame resistant clothing, that is which is resisting the fire. Next one is chemical protective wear, mainly used in the chemical or industries field. Ballistic textiles, cut resistant gloves. So if you are using in the industrial purpose, mainly in machineries used for cutting purpose, they use this cut resistant gloves. Radiation protective fabrics, which is mainly used in nuclear stations, so to avoid the UV rays or any other laser relevant field which is included, it is a radiation protection fabrics. Next one is functions and properties. What are the main functions and what are the properties required in the protective textiles? First one is thermal insulation. Thermal insulation means it has to insulate the heat or fire from the wearer. Flame and chemical resistance, which is to stop the flame and chemical issues if it is applied on that fabric. Next one is tensile, high tensile and tear resistant. Tensile in name, it has to withstand for the whole pressure, what is it is a pulling force or it is a strong force applied on that. Tear resistant, tear strength name, it has to withstand for a tearing force. And low weight and flexibility, it should be a low weight and it should be a flexible one. Next one is thermal insulation in protective textiles is ability of a fabric to resist the transfer of heat and protect the wearer from the extreme temperatures. So it has to protect the wearer from the heat transfer or from the extreme temperature conditions. It works by trapping air within the textile structure, reducing the heat conditions and providing the safety and comfort to the hot or cold environment. Next one is flame and chemical resistant. Flame resistant is the ability of the protective textiles to resist the ignition, prevent flame spread and self-extinguish when exposed to fire or high heat. Chemical resistant is ability to the textile to block or withstand the harmful chemical, preventing penetrations, degradation and skin contact with the hazardous substances. Next one is high tensile and tear strength. High tensile strength is ability of the protective textiles to withstand a heavy pulling or a stretching force without breaking. High tear strength is ability to the fabric to resist the ripping or tearing when subjected to sharp or a sudden force, ensuring the durability and the safety. So those are the two equipments which is used to testing the tensile and tear strength of the fabric. Low weight and flexibility. The low weight refers to the lightweight protective textiles that reduces the wearer fatigue and improve the comfort during long hours of use. Flexibility is ability to the fabric to bend and move easily with the body, allow the better mobility and ease of movement without restriction performance. What are all the characteristics? Durable in extreme environment, breathable designs, comfort and lightweight, long service life. So those are all some of the characteristics needed in the protective textiles. Next one is application, firefighter suits, bulletproof jackets, industrial safety gloves, medical PPE kits. So those are all some of the applications mainly we concentrate on. So those garments are mainly we saw as a protective garments. Protective mechanism flow chart. So it has to be hazard, it should protect it from hazard climate, barrier textile, absorption and resistance, user safety. So main concept, we have to plan a protective wear based on those concepts. So this is some case study we have discussed. Working mechanisms of protective principles: heat and flame exposure, outer shell resist the flame, insulation traps heat, moisture barrier block system, inner layer ensure the comfort, firefighter remains the safe. So applications, these are all the applications we will mainly concentrate on. The protective textiles plays a vital role in safeguarding the individuals from heat, flame, chemical, medical hazards and other dangerous environment. By using high performance fibers and advanced fabric construction, they provide the durability, safety, comfort and reliability in critical applications. With continuous innovation in smart materials and lightweight designs, protective textiles are becoming more efficient, sustainable and essential across industries such as firefighting, defense, healthcare and manufacturing. So, thank you.